So are you guys able to see me and hear me? Quickly confirm to me that are you able to see me and hear me? We will start our session soon if you are able to see me and hear me. Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, as you all know that today we are going to start a new series. Okay, are going to start a new series that is concept through question, signals and systems. So, in this series, what I am going to do is I am going to solve lots of problems every day at 1 p.m. from Monday to Friday. 5 days a week, 1 hour each day, lots of questions on signals and system, and it will be helpful for gate electrical, gate ECE, and gate instrumentation. Okay, it will be helpful for all the three branches. What you just have to do, every day you have to come here at 1 p.m. every day, 5 days a week. Okay, and full course nahi hai Sonu. As I told, we are going to solve questions, and based on questions we will learn how to attempt signals and system. Duration will be 1 hour each day. Okay, no, not Saturday, because Saturday I have a doubt session scheduled every week. That is why. Okay, so guys, those of you who are coming here by chance and don't know about me, let me introduce you myself. My name is Ankit Goel, and I got AIR1 in GATE 2014 and 2018, and I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Since my rank was in electrical engineering, I am basically capable of teaching all the subjects of electrical engineering, and in this series, we'll be covering the signals and system via questions. It will not be via theory, it will be via questions. And my friend, we have started a revolution on an academy where we are providing affordable education to each and every student in the country, in the corners of the country. The students who are not able to afford quality coaching now are able to attend all the classes and are able to afford the best teachers in the country on an academy. And just not the classes, my friend, they are also getting the doubt solving session, the study material, the test series, the DPP, the weekly quizzes, everything is included. Everything is included in one subscription, that is an academy subscription. So guys, if you want to take an academy subscription, what you have to do, you just have to call this number. Just have to call this number and you can purchase the subscription. And believe me, it will be the best decision that you have ever made in your life. And guys, since you already have an Academy Learning app in your phone, what you can do, you can just click on GATE and ESE and then click on Get Subscription. If you do that, you will be shown these plans. The best plan for dropper or final year is 1 year plan. Don't fall in the trap of 6 months plan. That is not useful. And this is for college student in second or third year. But make sure that you remember the code Ankit Gate. Ankit Gate will get you 10% discount, as well as my friend, you will be directly studying under my mentorship, under my guidance. So my friend, you can pay by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking, or by debit card EMI, which is HDFC debit card or Bajaj Finserv debit card. But don't forget to use the code Ankit Gate. Is that clear? And this is our doubt solving group on Facebook where you can ask any doubt for free. And this is our Telegram channel where you get the notes of all the YouTube videos and all the links every day. So my friends, what we are going to do, अब काफी लोगों का एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, will this series continue, will we take the questions topic wise? So first thing, my friend, the questions will be taken topic wise. Okay, it will be topic wise. Like today I am starting from the basics of signals. Secondly, classes will be there. 10 or 11 classes will be there, that is for sure. But after that, we'll have to see how much we continue. Okay. So basically right now 10 sessions have been planned. 10 or 11 session I'll take, because after that I have to start in RIB. Okay. So are you guys ready for the first question? You just need what? Pen, paper, and even calculator is not needed. There will be polling on every question. There will be polling on every question. Okay. So try the first one. Come on, everybody. I'll be giving you 45 seconds for this. Try the first one. Biswajit, it should be visible, I think. Not visible. Let me check. I think there was some issue in uploading the questions. Let me try it again. Now, are you able to see, guys? Okay. So many people directly were answering without even seeing the question. And that is why I'm very sure that the future is in good hands. The future of this country is in good hands. We have got such great minds that don't even need a question to give an answer. And one more thought that struck my mind, we always talk about corruption, cheating, the government looting people, all these things. But guys, if you are not answering fairly, you are also doing the same thing. You are also cheating, you are also corrupt, right? So why to complain when we are all the same? So the correct answer to this problem is C. The correct answer is C. So let me show you how to solve such kind of questions. It is asking to convert a continuous time signal into a discrete time signal. So that is the process of sampling. In sampling, what you have to do, you have to put t equal to nts, which means x and ts. Now ts, the sampling interval. अरे मेरे भाई विश्वजीत, ये जो स्टार्टिंग होती है ना, वो एनालॉग डिजिटल सिग्नल से होती है। ठीक है, तो अभी हम वही कर रहे हैं बस, कि कैसे एनालॉग से डिजिटल जाते हैं। चिंता मत करो, सैम्पलिंग के क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे। Okay, and as I have told, this series is going to be in English, but yes, one or two sentences can be exchanged in Hindi. Because what I have felt is South Indian audience gets quite offended when we talk in Hindi, even one or two sentence, they directly complain to an academy. Then an academy people will message me that students are saying that we are not talking in English. So what can I tell them? Even if there is one student in 200 students that is not understanding Hindi, they'll just go and complain. Though we are the only ones that is running an English batch. Now try this one, guys. Try this one. Be quick about such kind of problems. Don't worry, guys. For Telugu people also, we have a new initiative that we'll be starting very, very soon. So are you guys enjoying Raksha Bandhan today? Are you guys enjoying or not? Okay, great guys. So again, x of t is 5 and Prameet sir is taking signals and system in detail. So if you need any lecture or any concept clarity, then you can directly watch his lecture. Now, T will be taken as NTS, that is n by 10. I am good, Abhishek. How are you? Okay, so the answer would be D. Is that clear? The answer would be D. Moving to the next one. The options are here. You just plot it. You just plot it. I am giving you 1.5 minutes. Try this, guys. Try this, everybody. You have to plot it. And how come the students are giving answers when I haven't even showed them the options? How is it possible I'm getting answers? Guys, please try seriously. Sridharan, how can you answer correctly? Tell me. Sridharan, Brahmaiya, Kaushik Priya, how you guys were able to answer when I never showed you the options? Tell me. Tell me, guys. Those people will not be saying anything now. Hi, Mahatma, whatever is the name. कोई बात नहीं है, मारने दो तुक्का, अपना कुछ जाता नहीं, अपने को सीखना है. ओके, वी हैव टू लर्न एवरीथिंग. लेट अस सी. x minus x1 minus 2t by 3, x1 minus 2t by 3. So what is the process of drawing a graph? That is shifting, then scaling, then reversal. Okay, these are the three steps that you have to take. These are the three steps. Now, y of t can be written as, guys, please pay attention, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3t. So what I'll say is y1t. Why not take t plus 1 by 3? Why not take directly t plus 1 by 3? Okay. So if you take t plus 1 by 3, then you will have to. देखो वो भी मेथड पे मैं आ रहा हूं, रुक जाओ, उस मेथड पे भी आ रहा हूं कि कैसे वैल्यू पुट करके चेक होता है. सो दिस इज लेफ्ट शिफ्ट by 1 upon 3. So left shift by 1 upon 3. Let me draw on the same graph. It will be like this. It will be like this. Left shift of 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Mahatma, for plus student every day morning and evening classes are running. What else do you need, my friend? What else do you need? Tell me. And which engineering stream are you from? Now the next thing is scaling. Is anyone else facing the voice issue? So Mahatma, are you attending my machines class? Are you attending my machines class? So when you take this scaling, what you will say? What you will say, my friend? Plus t I am taking after scaling. You will say that multiply all x-axis limits by 3 by 2. Multiply by 3 by 2. Okay. Now what are these limits? This was 2 by 3. 2 minus 1 by 3 was 8 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Now you multiply every limit by 3 by 2. You multiply every limit by 3 by 2. ठीक है, हर लिमिट को 3 by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो मेरे भाई. It will become 1, it will become 4, 1 4, then it will become minus half, it will become minus 2. So from 1 to 4, 1 to 4, basically this I think should be 3. This I think should be 3. Then this will be 3 minus 1 by 3, 10 by 3. Sorry, 3 minus 1 by 3, 8 by 3. Yes. Okay. Abhishek, what you have to do, if this scaling factor for x of 80 multiply limits by 1 upon a. Okay. Okay. So this will be 1. Two minus 1 by 3, then 3 minus 1 by 3, 8 by 3. 8 by 3 into 3 by 2, 4. If you multiply it by 3 by 2, that is minus 0.5. Multiply it by 3 by 2, minus 2. So minus 0.5 and minus 2. Please don't note it down. You will get the slides 2 hours after the lecture. You can get the slides. Now, what else remains? The last step is the reversal. My friend. Okay. The slides will be available on the Unacademy Learning app itself. The slides are available here itself after the lecture. I'll tell you shortcut as well, private number, don't worry. Now, when you take the reversal, what will happen is you will get a function like this when you take a reversal. Is that clear, my friend? So which option will match? B option. Okay, B option will match. Now let us try a shortcut. Let us learn a shortcut, my friend. Is everybody ready for a shortcut? Okay. User, just remember the standard method, my friend, because the non-standard method may work for discrete continuous signal, but it may not work for discrete. This method, shifting plus scaling plus reversal, is the standard method, because if you take reversal first, then what will happen? Then delay and advance are reversed. That is, xt minus t will be now advance, t plus t will be delay. ठीक है, ये प्रॉपर्टी डिले और एडवांस वाली उल्टी हो जाती है. नाउ लिसन, शॉर्टकट. yt was x. Now put t equal to 1. So what should come in y of 1? X of minus 1 by 3. Now see the graph of x. X of minus 1 by 3 is minus 1. X of minus 1 by 3 is minus 1. Check the option where at 1 you are getting minus 1. Check the option where at 1 you are getting minus 1. So at 1 the value is undefined. At 1 we have minus 1. At 1 we only have 1. At 1 we have 1. Directly you can say answer will be B. मैंने देखो हिंदी में ही बता देता हूं क्या किया. टी को 1 डाल दिया. टी को 1 डाल के चेक कर लिया क्या वैल्यू आएगी. अब ऑप्शन में चेक कर लिया कि कौन सा ऑप्शन वही वैल्यू दे रहा है. So what I have done is I have put t equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 3. Check the original graph. Check the original graph at minus 1 by 3. What are you getting? At minus 1 by 3, what are you getting? Minus 1. Because it is saying x of minus 1 by 3. This value will be obtained from original curve. Okay. Now just check in the option at which curve at 1 are you getting minus 1. So that is only one option, that is B. Achal, you can put anything, my friend. It is just an example. It is just an example. Use your IQ. Use your IQ. You put anything. Okay. Now try the next one. Try the next one. I'm creating a poll. क्वेश्चन शो हो रहा है दीपक. क्वेश्चन शो हो रहा है मेरे भाई. जस्ट रिफ्रेश इट. जस्ट रिफ्रेश. जस्ट रिफ्रेश वंस. Exit the app and come back. Okay. So guys, this is a very simple property called as sampling property of impulse function. ऐसे में अमर आई एम ओनली डूइंग सो दैट यू डोंट टेक प्रिंट आउट, क्योंकि मेरे भाई पेजेस की इतनी बर्बादी मत करो कि हर चीज प्रिंट आउट चाहिए. If you guys take printout of my each and every lecture, na, so many pages will be wasted that I can't even begin to count. So now, Simple answer A. Okay, it is very simple answer, that is A. Is that clear, my friend? Is that clear? Okay. So remember this property. This property is very important in impulse function. Remember this. Try the next one. Try the next one. Again, I'm starting a poll. Try this. Come on, everybody. All of you can solve this. Very easy question. So, here we have to use two properties. One property is the sampling property. What is the sampling property? Okay. X T naught delta T minus T naught. The second property is the scaling property. That is delta AT plus B is 1 by mod A. Okay. So first what I'll do is I'll use the scaling property. And guys, with timer, what you will understand is how to handle exam pressure. That also you will understand. My friend. Now, when this is multiplied, okay? So the answer would be B. Kumar Sanket, not an issue, my friend. You take time to get used to it. But make sure that you get used to the system before March, before Feb. And if that is done, you will do very, very well in GATE. Okay. Last step में क्या हुआ बताओ? What is the issue? What is the issue? Sampling property. See, this means that impulse function exists at t equal to t naught. Okay, impulse exists at t equal to t naught. So you put that time in xt. Here, impulse is at pi by 3. And when you put this pi by 3 in the function, you get the answer. Now is it clear, friends? Now is it clear or not? Okay, great. So try the next one. Abhishek, I believe if you can prepare, I am from IIT GH and all you and your team is teaching already taught on YouTube. Mahatma, I don't understand. How can you not get the difference between what we are providing on YouTube and between what we are providing on Unacademy. It is beyond my understanding, because if you have carefully watched the lectures on YouTube as well as on Unacademy, you will understand what is the difference. So now, my friends, first of all, I'll apply scaling property. So what I'll say, okay, now we will apply the sampling property. Is that clear? So the answer would be A. The answer would be A. A and C basically both can be there, right? A and C both can be correct. Yes, absolutely right. Both are correct. Okay. Yeah, if there is a constant with T, that is scaling. But remember, I have put magnitude here. Magnitude, or you can say mod. ठीक है, एक मैग्नीट्यूड आ जाता है, इसलिए माइनस साइन नहीं आएगा. चलो थोड़ा सा टाइम बढ़ा देते हैं इस बार. ट्राई दिस गाइस, ट्राई दिस. And Mahatma, if you are feeling that we are providing the same content on Unacademy and YouTube, just message me on Telegram. We can discuss there. Okay? Abhishek, what I believe is if you can prepare 6 or 7 subject well, that is 70 marks preparation for GATE 2021 in third year. That is absolutely fine. That is absolutely fine. No need to worry. Okay. So why take tension, my friend? GATE 2021 is not your last attempt and it will not get you a job. It is not going to get you a job. It is just a try that you are giving. So if you go with 70 marks and you get 55 to 60 marks, that is almost the top performance that can be done. Shashi Shekhar, just exit the app and join again. You will see. Now, Kiran, for practice only I am conducting these series, na? Now, what we know is xt थर्ड ईयर वाले जो हैं गेट का एग्जाम एकदम बिंदास दें, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. ओके. It will become delta t. It will become delta t. Abhishek, what I would recommend is prepare 1 or 2 core subject this year out of the 7 subject that you are preparing, and rest of the core subjects next year. Okay, so the answer would be B. Is that clear? The answer is B. Otherwise, the other method is this. We study as a direct property as well. This is a direct property. Okay. This is a direct property also that is based on the sampling property. That is based on the sampling property. Okay. Now, my friends, coming to the next one. Coming to the next one. Try this. Try this, everybody. I am giving you 1 minute. विश्वजीत प्लस की क्लास तो देखिए ना, ठंडे दिमाग से कहां रिप्लाई होता है. That varies with student to student. Na, they can basically push me to get angry. That can always happen. Nitin, please answer in the poll. Please answer in the poll. Every person has a limit, but my limit is basically better than your limit. The limit of my patience is better than your limit. Now, again, delta minus t plus 1 is basically now t square put 1. Now when you integrate, okay, so the answer would be D. Answer would be D. निक्की मेरे भाई, मैंने ये प्रॉपर्टी अभी पढ़ाई है थोड़ी देर पहले. अगर आप लेट जुड़े हो तो आप पीछे से लेक्चर एक बार रिपीट कर लेना. आई जस्ट हैव taught this property. And my friend, if any of you wants to come to an academy, this is the number. And also you can join my Telegram group. My Telegram group is this, where you can directly tag me and ask me anything. This is my Telegram group. Vaibhav, we take magnitude, my friend. Just now I have told you magnitude. Now, try the next one, guys. Try the next one. Quickly, everybody. Try the next one. चलो एक दिन लगाते हैं गपशप सेशन, डोंट वरी. Try this, guys. Okay. So again, first we will apply the scaling property. First we will apply the scaling property. Now, this will become 1 by 3. delta t minus pi by 3. Now we will put pi by 3. We will put pi by 3 in the function. Delta minus pi by 6, sorry, sine. Now when you put it in the integration, you will get minus 1 by 6. So my friend, what happens? Just remember one thing. If we have an integration like this, it can come 1 if t naught lies between a and b. It will be 0 if t naught does not belong to a or b. Okay, that means the point at which impulse lies, that point should lie between the limits. That point should lie between the limits, and then only this integration will come out to be 1. Then only this integration will be 1. Okay, try the next one. Try the next one. Come on, everybody. Abhinay, if it lies on the limits, then it will be undefined, but you can keep half. Yes, Nitish, it is sufficient. Come on, everybody, try this. We'll do controls faculty launch when sir has an internet connection basically. So right now he is in a rural area. He is not getting internet. In 1 or 2 days it should be done. Okay. Now again. That means impulse exists at t equal to pi by 3. It exists at t equal to pi by 3. But the limits are minus pi by 6 to plus pi by 6. Okay, pi minus pi by 6 to plus pi by 6. In that case, the answer would be 0. Because impulse lies outside the limits. Okay. Sai, what are you trying to say? Okay. If it lies outside the limits, basically, what you need to know, whenever the impulse at any point other than the point of impulse, the impulse function is 0. That means what you can say, delta t minus pi by 3 is 0 from minus pi by 6 to pi by 6, and since it is 0, the integration is 0. The integration is 0. Is that clear? Try the next one. Try the next one, guys. Come on, everybody. Nitish, there is no need of standard books to get the best rank in GATE. People are making a fool out of you. Kuldeep, please answer in the polling, not in the chat, my friend. Polling. If you are not able to see the polling, then please exit the app and come again. Sudhir, EMF session is going on YouTube. Vishal sir is taking EMFT. अभिषेक मेरे भाई, रैंक लाने के लिए इवन पढ़ना भी जरूरी नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि कोई चीज जरूरी है या कोई चीज जरूरी नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग कंपल्सरी. देयर इज नथिंग कंपल्सरी. So don't think that GATE has recommended some standard books that you have to study and they'll be asking questions from that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Whatever you study, just make sure that you study the questions and you are able to solve all the question. Vaibhav, I think 1 minute is more than enough for such questions. So here, impulse is at t equal to pi. Okay. Now, pi basically belongs in this interval, first of all. Pi belongs in this interval. That means integration is non-zero. Now, when you put pi, so it will be pi, because sine will become 1. Integration of delta function will be 1, so it is pi. It is pi. कुशल मेरे भाई, अगर तुम सिग्नल भूलने लगते हो तो कायदे से रिवाइज तुम्हें करना चाहिए या हमें सेशन लगवाते रहने चाहिए. नाउ ट्राई द नेक्स्ट वन. ट्राई द नेक्स्ट वन. Mahesh, machine CTQ will also come, but that will come on YouTube once I complete the machines on Plus. I'll take that on YouTube. XT graph is missing. Okay, just let us take. Let me draw one XT. I am increasing the time of polling. Now try this. This is XT. Yes, many people have already answered. Private number, even if I give polling again, then also this polling will count. Good, Maharshi. Without knowing the graph of xt, you can get the answer. Very good. अभिषेक, ये तो तुम्हें महर्षि बता पाएंगे कि कैसे कर सकते हैं। मेरे भाई, मैं तो नहीं कर सकता बिना ग्राफ के। Now you will put half. Now when you put it in the limits of integration, -4 to 6, half lies in that interval. Half lies in that interval. So that will come out to be 1. Okay, it will be 1. Try the next one, guys. Try the next one. प्रिंस मेरे भाई, अनअकैडमी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने पे सारे सब्जेक्ट खुद थोड़ी मैनेज करने पड़ते हैं। उसमें तो हम लोग गाइड करते ही हैं। अगर आप नहीं लेते हो तो तुम्हें सारे सब्जेक्ट खुद मैनेज करने पड़ते हैं। मेरे हिसाब से तो एक बार कॉल कर लेना, ये नंबर मैं देता रहता हूं। जस्ट कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर वंस एंड टेक अ क्लैरिटी। ओके, इफ यू फील कन्विंस्ड देन टेक इट, अदरवाइज लीव इट। But definitely it can be a life-changing decision. अभिषेक मेरे भाई, अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं ले रहे हो तो स्ट्रैटेजी या सब चीजें खुद मैनेज करनी पड़ेंगी। और फ्री क्लासेस में भी आप चैट कर सकते हो विदाउट सब्सक्रिप्शन, बट फ्री क्लास में कोर्स तो कवर नहीं हो रहा ना। अब मैंने सिग्नल के क्वेश्चन करा दिए, सिग्नल पढ़ाया तो नहीं। नाउ गाइस रिमेंबर दिस डेल्टा टी the first derivative delta dash t is called as the singlet function. Double derivative is doublet function. Okay, singlet function then doublet function. एक सेकेंड, हाँ. So now what it is giving us is t delta dash t. For me, according to me, basically one thing that is missing here is this. Actually this should be like this. Okay, without this you cannot solve. So actually the question must be this. Then you will apply Abhishek, understand if the question is not correct and people are still giving the answer, that means they are not solving. They are just doing hit and trial. Don't worry about such students. Now see here. First function integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integration of second integration. It will be minus 1. It will be minus 1 because delta at infinity would be 0 and delta at minus infinity would also be 0. So the answer must be minus 1, not minus delta t. It should be minus 1. Okay. So that should be the answer. वैसे एक और तरीके से अगर हम ट्राई करें, जस्ट लेट मी थिंक, नहीं यही होगा मेरे हिसाब से तो आंसर. एक्सप्लेन वंस अगेन. देखो मैंने क्या बोला, we have to apply the integration by parts. We have to apply the integration by parts. So what we are getting, this is the first function, this is the second function. First function integration of delta dash is delta t. Differentiation of first is 1. Integration of second is delta t. So I just have applied integration by parts. Okay. Yes, singlet function is the derivative of delta function. One thing what you could have done here is, what we are getting, one thing that I can tell why it can be minus delta t. You can say like this, on comparing, can you now say this? Okay, this can also be one of the method. Okay, so that means you can say, yes, this question can be framed. This question can be framed. Puneet, you can apply derivative property as well. Let me tell you what is the derivative property. Let me tell you what is the derivative property. The derivative property says, like this. So if you apply there, this can also be one of the methods using the derivative property. Okay. Is that clear? Now moving on. Now try this one, guys. Try this one. कुलदीप मेरे भाई, मैंने तुम्हारे मेथड से बता तो दिया. आई हैव टोल्ड यू बाय योर मेथड एज वेल. This will be the last question of the session. And guys, we'll meet at 2:30 as well to solve problems based on transformer. Okay, to solve problems based on transformer. Ansh, basically, if you have passed out in 2019, you can take a drop. Okay. Okay, Jyoti, after this question, I'll show the leaderboard. So first rank is for Shivam, second Jyoti, third Krishna. Okay, these three are the top rankers. Yes, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. every day. Now we will apply the derivative property here. And don't worry guys, we will see problems topic wise. Yes, आज इवनिंग में कंट्रोल की क्लास होगी. So the answer would be C. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now guys, this is a homework for you. So my friends, as I told earlier as well, if any of you wants to join an academy, just call on this number. I keep giving this number, just call on this number, or you can message me on Facebook and Instagram, SSGIIT. Okay. Tomorrow also we will continue the basic signals chapter. Okay. Like unit step, GIF, LIF, shifting, scaling, reversal. All these things will be continued tomorrow. Okay. So we see you soon tomorrow at 1 p.m. at the same time. Thank you.